Hi, this is Keiko, and it is very easy craft time for children. This session is really short because it's really simple, right? What you need is, if you have orange paper, black paper, okay? If you have a stick like this, that will be fine. If not, that's okay too. Maybe strip of paper like this if you don't have ribbon like this, okay? And then maybe thread, okay? Or thin ribbon, right? What I made is like this, right? I made this, that's hanging. Since October is Halloween month, so I thought maybe we should prepare a little bit. All right, that's why orange and black paper. Okay, and what you can do is you can draw, okay, pumpkin any shapes, however you like to draw. Like this. See, oops, 5 sticks like this. Okay, size doesn't matter. If you want a bigger one, that you can create a big one like this. And then I put cat too, okay, couple of cats. So that also you can create any shapes. Yes, I made like this. Okay, if you like to add eyes, that's good. And just I happen to have this plastic eyes like this. So okay, you can draw again, right, with markers or crayons. Okay. So that's all, okay? So you can draw just like this, cut it out. If you add something else here, that's fine too. Here the plain cat, but if you like to add eyes, that's fine, okay? And the reason I said strip, if you don't have ribbon like this or like this, I will show you a few like this, you can use paper, okay? What you can do is just you glue these patterns, right? And here you can make, you can fold it like this, right? And you can put, let's see, skinny ribbon or even thread is fine. Okay, going this way, and then this part is you can glue it, okay? Then you can hang it. Okay? Let's see, I'll just show it to you. Okay. Oops. You can hang it. Right? So if you don't have a ribbon, you can use paper, okay? And then place your patterns. Yes. Okay? So that's very, very simple craft, and the idea is, okay? All right. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I hope you can enjoy doing craft, and I love craft very, very much. So I will see you next time, and meantime, happy reading, happy crafting, and stay safe. Okay? Bye-bye.